Hi percussionists! Today I am going to show you how to put together your glockenspiel and your drum pad. So you've got your kit, you're going to open it up, and the first thing you're going to do is find this pouch right here that has your stand in it. You have two different parts. This is the base, which goes on the floor, and this is the top. So we're going to take the base first. It has three little rubber ends. And you're going to find this bottom screw that's closest to the base. And you're going to unscrew it a little bit. And then you're just going to pull on a couple of the foots, kind of spread them out a little. And that's going to create our nice tripod, which will hold our instrument up. Now you can just put that tripod on the ground. Then you're going to take the upper section, and now you're going to loosen this top screw. Loosen it until you can put the post in, and then tighten it. We'll adjust the height later. I'm just showing you how to put it together in this video. Then there is, on this top section, another screw right here underneath of these four black rubber things. And we're going to loosen those, pull up on the four black rubber pegs, hold the bars up, and then tighten this again. It's very important that you hold this up while you're tightening. Do I have to tighten a ton? No, I do not have to tighten a ton. If you tighten it too much, you're actually going to hurt the instrument. Just tighten until it decides it doesn't want to go anymore. Then, I'll actually do it this way so it looks like you. Then we're going to flip this part of our case up to show the glockenspiel. You're going to take the wide end of the glockenspiel, and the wide end is going to go, whoops, I gotta come closer. The wide end of the glockenspiel is going to go where the black pegs are farther apart. And the shorter distance is going to go here where the black pegs are there. So I'm going to find the hole that's on the bottom of my glockenspiel right here. This hole is going to go on this little peg. So I line it up, I watch, the hole goes on the peg, and then my glockenspiel is all ready to go. The wider end is resting on those two wide black pegs, and the narrower end is resting on the narrower pegs. And it's very important that right here in the center, that hole for your glockenspiel is on the little peg, okay? Because it's very steady now. And now I'm ready to play. To take it apart, very simply, I just lift my glockenspiel off, put the glock back in the case, and now I'm going to show you how to put your drum pad on. We don't need these four black pegs for the drum pad, so you're going to loosen this screw again, help it down, and then tighten the screw. And then you're going to take the drum pad out, which is on the top. It's in its own little case. And on the bottom of the drum pad, you'll see that there's a place for you to screw the little notch into. So I'm going to line that up. And then it's righty-tighty. I just screw the drum pad on. I'm not going to go very fast, and then it will stop itself. So watch that one more time. To take it off, it's very easy. You just go the other direction, but make sure you're holding it so it doesn't go flying. Ooh, there we go. So I take that hole. I'm going to put it on that little knob, and then I'm going to twist to the right. Not very fast because you don't want to hurt the instrument, and it will stop itself. And now I'm ready to play my drums. Again, to take it off, we go the other way. I'm using my hands to make sure that it's not going to just go flying. I put my drum pad back in its own case and Velcro that shut. Now I can remove these two parts. So I'm going to loosen the bottom screw of the top part, No, I'm not. That was my fault. I'm actually going to loosen this top screw of the bottom part and pull out the top and put that back in the case. And finally, we need to collapse our tripod. So we loosen the tripod screw, collapse. Be very careful of your fingers here because you can pinch yourself very easily. Always have your fingers on the outside and then tighten that screw so it doesn't open up. Put it back in the case. Zip your case up with both zippers and you're ready to go. Try it a couple of times, putting your glockenspiel together and your drum.